Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Moonriver. On a weekly time frame chart, Moonriver has already broken out a very big falling wedge pattern, and after that, it is rejected by this long-term resistance of $45. That was in fact breaking as a support in the month of March 2022, and now it is flipped into a resistance. And right now, you can see that the price line is also breaking down this support of $22.50 as well. You can see that right now it is moving slightly down than this support level, but if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here it has formed this falling wedge pattern, and we have a double hidden bullish divergence on this daily time frame chart as the price line is forming higher low. So far, it is not able to form at a lower than previous low. And if we take a look at the stochastic, it is forming slightly lower than previous low, and RSI is also forming, you can see, lower than previous lows. So therefore, there is a double hidden bullish divergence on this daily time frame chart. Therefore, there is a probability that on a daily time frame chart, if we break out this falling wedge pattern, then the price end will be recovered back and it will be moved above then this resistance of $22.50 that was previously working as a support for the past several weeks. And in today's video, we will analyze this move as well, but before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2023 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for OGN, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And over there, you can watch the complete trade setup, like this is the buying range and the sell targets on and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after clicking this button, you can see it is showing us that the price line nicely completed the final leg here and the buying zone. Then we had a very, very nice price reversal. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Moonriver. And first of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart. And by the way, this is not a bull flag, because if we place this Fibonacci tool from this low to this high, then you can see that it has retraced more than 0.382. Even it has almost dropped at 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. That is a golden pocket. Therefore, this is not a bull flag, but in fact, this is still a price reversal zone. Therefore, there is a probability that we may have a price reversal and break out the wedge. And at the same time, there is double hidden bullish divergence also flash. Like you can see that stochastic is forming lower, slightly lower than previous low. See? And at the same time, RSI is also forming lower than previous low. And if we take a look at the price line, then you can see that the price line is so far not able to form another lower than previous low. In fact, it is forming higher low than previous low. Therefore, there is a probability that the price line may try to break out this wedge. And after breaking out this wedge pattern, the target for this breakout will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $32.15. And in case of breaking down this wedge, the target to the downside can be here. That will be approximately at $12.30. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that here we have already broken out a very big falling wedge pattern, and the price and from this low to this high rallied more than 1408%, but got rejected by this long-term resistance of $45. And if the price and breaks out this wedge and reaches here to hit the target at $31.50, then it can easily break out these two resistance levels on this 7 days time frame chart as well. One is here at $22.50. That was previously breaking as a resistance here, and now it can again work as a resistance for the price line. And after that, we will have another resistance here at $27.15. That has been, by the way, breaking as a resistance back in the month of May 2022. That is, by the way, visible on the daily time frame chart. If we move more back on this daily time frame chart back in May 2022, then you can see that for several days it has been breaking as a resistance. Now, if we take a look at the next resistance after breaking out, once the price and will be able to break out, is $27.15. Then it can make another attempt to break out $45. And I'm expecting that as soon as it breaks out this $45 resistance, then soon it can try to break out this long-term resistance of $100 as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.